Hi, welcome. This is the first video from the series where I'll be showing books from my art library. In this episode, you will see 3 books which will help you to paint beautiful, bold, vibrant, dynamic paintings. Or if you are like me and you like collecting books but you don't want to spend money or something you don't like, you will be able to see the books here. So the first book is Dynamic Acrylics by Soraya French. I really like this artist. I have, I think, 3 or 4 books written by her. Her artworks are very vibrant, very colorful, very expressive, and also a little bit abstracted, which I really like. So in her books, she shows us her materials, she shows her techniques, and in this particular book, she's focusing on acrylics, but also talks about other mediums she's using, and she shows also works by other artists. Okay, so I will just stop talking and let you enjoy the music and the beautiful pages of this book, and I will be back when I will be introducing the second book. So enjoy those beautiful pages and artworks from Soraya French book. So I hope you enjoy the book, and you will find the link to the book in the description. So the next book is How to Paint Fast, Loose and Bold by Patti Mollica, and it's really a great book if you would like to learn to paint like this. She gives a lot of tips. She shows her art supplies she's using. She's starting from talking about value, then she's talking about color theory, about most popular color palettes used in paintings, how to crop the painting, how to mix paints. So there are very interesting topics covered, a lot of valuable information. So just enjoy watching this book and her beautiful colorful paintings. And the last book is Abstract and Color by Claire Harrigan. And this is a little bit different book because she's more talking about her approach to abstractions, to color, how she creates her paintings, which supplies she's using, how she approach every painting. So I think it's very interesting. I love her bold, abstracted paintings. So I hope you will enjoy going through those pages. Also, to make it easier for you to find those books, I posted in the description below links to these books on Amazon, where I usually buy books for myself. Once again, thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye.